Let us deal with a program which will help us to punctuate the given line of text such that the first character of every word is converted to its equivalent uppercase character. For example, if I have a string as say programming is fun. So what you need to do is you need to punctuate the first character of every word to its equivalent uppercase. Programming's P has to be punctuated, E's ka I has to be punctuated, and then fun ka F has to be punctuated. So you are supposed to modify the given line of text such that it will convert the first character of every word to its equivalent uppercase. What is the logic of this? As usual, to store a line of text, what do you define? I'll define a character array. To traverse the entire character array, what I'll do is I'll go from the first and till the last character. We know that the first character is at index 0 and the last index is not known, but the content is null character. Hence I'll be using the for loop for I equal to 0, ch of I not equal to null I plus plus. So now I had to identify what need to be converted, what need not to be converted. Which characters are supposed to be converted? Am I supposed to convert the entire string to its uppercase? No. I'm supposed to identify a place where the character should undergo change. I have to identify something unique at that point where I wish to carry out a change. If you observe the string closely, you will find that the contents which appear after a blank space will undergo change. Whenever you identify that there is a blank space, immediately the next character is the beginning of the word, hence that character has to undergo change. Right? Okay, let's try this particular code. The code is pretty simple and we'll work with this particular code with some numbers itself, some string. So what I'll do is, I'll ask the user to enter the text. So here the text is entered as A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Assume that I have 3 words stored in CH. These are the contents which are stored in this particular character array. And then I have to undergo some character set changes. How do I do this? Now see here. I know that I can traverse from 0 till null character. The loop is already known to us. Why don't we now modify this particular string? Before I do this particular modification, by default, the first character has to be always converted. So the converted character, I'll write it with the new part. So let me say capital A. So what I'll do is, I'll by default convert ch of 0 to its equivalent uppercase character. So ch of 0 equal to 2 upper ch of 0. Then what I'll do is, you start working with the loop from 1 till the last character of this particular array. And every time identify is there a blank space. See here? I'll say ch of 0 equal to 2 upper ch of 0. Since I'd use 2 upper, what I'd use? I'd use C type percentage. So A, ch of 0 is A, which was small, is converted to capital. So ch of 0 becomes capital A. So in that case, you can start this particular loop from 1 or you can still start with 0. If you start with 1, so what it does, it will start with the next space. So is ch of 1 not equal to null? True. Get inside this particular loop. Ch of I equal to blank space. No, it's not a blank space. Don't do this operation. Go back. I plus plus will become I as say 2. 0, 1, 2. 2 not equal to true. Ch of 2 equal to blank space. No. Now see here. 3. Ch of 3 is not null. True. Get inside the loop. Ch of 3 equal to blank space. Yes, ch of 3 is equal to blank space. If ch of 3 is a blank space, then what I'll do? I'll convert the next character. If I'm at I equals to 3, that represents blank space. So I plus 1 is nothing but the next character. So I say ch of I plus 1 equal to 2 upper ch of I plus 1. So automatically it converts the next character to its equivalent uppercase character and stores it onto the same location, that is D. And then go ahead, I becomes 4. Ch of 4 equal to blank space? No. Ch of 5 equal to blank space? No. Ch of 6 is blank space? Yes. So if ch of 6 is blank space, 6 plus 1 is 7. Convert the ch of 7 to its equivalent uppercase character, that is capital F. And then store in the same location, go back, I plus plus, make it as I as say 7. Ch of 7 equal to blank space? No. So I have converted A as capital, B, C small. space, D as capital, E small, F as capital and G as small. So we have to converted this particular string. So the modified string is stored into the same array CH, hence the modified array is displayed as CH. So here we are displaying these contents of this particular CH, right? So if you wish, you can even convert this to a library function. So I can say if is space ch of I, is space ch of I. So I can convert this to a standard library function. So either you can use ch of I equal blank space, or you can even use is space ch of I. Both belong to ctype.h file header files itself. So at the end, we are supposed to display the entire string. Hence, ch has been displayed with the modified contents, as modified array is %s, ch. Thank you.